guys, my name is Taylor Chu. Today I'm going to show you how to transform into a Halloween scarecrow from top to bottom.
You don't have to curl your hair. Some other popular styles for scarecrows are braids or pigtails. Feel free to do what works best for your hairstyle. Straw can be a little tricky to work with because it's so pokey, so you could also add other little accessories like a fake crow or some flowers.
Okay friends, that's it, your scarecrow costume from hat down to your boots. If you'd like to learn more about how I did the makeup, I have a tutorial video just for that. You can check my channel. I also have crafting and baking vids on there. I hope you enjoyed this. My name is Taylor Chu. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you have a happy and safe Halloween. Bye.